Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to learn the future perfect tense. This tense talks about actions that will be completed before a certain time in the future. Definition: future perfect tense shows that an action will have been completed at or before a specific time in the future. Structure: positive sentences. Subject plus will have plus past participle. Third form of verb. Negative sentences. Subject plus will not have plus past participle. Interrogative sentences. Will plus subject plus have plus past participle plus question mark. Examples: I will have finished my homework by 9 p.m. She will have cooked dinner before we arrive. We will have reached school by 8 o'clock. Negative examples: I will not have finished my work by Sunday. Interrogative examples: will you have completed the task by then? Helpful tip: always use by plus future time with this tense. For example, by next week, by 10 a.m., by next year. That's all about the future perfect tense. Want more easy grammar lessons? Don't forget to like, follow and share. Thank you for watching.